Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you send or share your invoice that you created in HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share your invoice that you created in HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers tell you that they never receive their invoice and they ask you to send it again. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and resend an invoice, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Files. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Invoices. Okay, here you're going to see all the invoices that you've created inside HoneyBook. So just scroll through until you see the invoice you need to resend. So for example, this one right here. Okay, in order to resend an invoice, a couple of things you can do. First off, if they're not a participant, then you want to definitely go ahead and add them in. So click right here and then just add them in as a participant. That way they can receive notifications about this invoice. If you've already done that, you can go ahead and scroll down and then click right here, Send Reminder. Now, if you want to be sure that your client actually receives it, normally what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here on the top on this little chain link button. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and copy the link right here. If they're a participant, if they're not a participant, click this view only link. Now it's copied to my clipboard, so I can go ahead and message them via text message, or I can include it in an email. And that way, when they click on the link, they're going to be able to get access directly to the invoice. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, I clicked on the link. Okay, so here is the invoice right here. So this is what they're going to get, and they can easily decide to pay through the link if you've connected your bank account, or they can click on these three dots and print the page or save it as a PDF. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to resend or to share an invoice that you created inside HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.